All right, it is no secret that I have literally been hiding my hair. This is a wig that I absolutely love. I think it looks really natural. A lot of people thought it was my hair. It's actually a synthetic wig from Amazon, so make sure you check out my Amazon shop. I'll leave a link in the description box below so you guys can shop my favorite Amazon wigs. But yes, this is a wig, and I got time today, and I think it's about time that I stop hiding my hair. I've been hiding my hair for like over a year because it broke off, and so I guess we could take a look at it and see if she's growing back. Okay, so I just wet this rag really good, and I'm just gonna kind of rub it in the edges, rub my baby hairs back. And I kind of squeeze some of that water in the edges just to loosen up my got to be glue / even spray, because that's all I use to hold this down. Literally, it'll come up just like that. So just like that. I think my coworker's named this one Sasha. She's off. So again, this is an Amazon synthetic wig. I did trim it to my liking. It only has like a thin little piece of lace in here that gives you that clean middle part, and then it has lace from ear to ear, like just a little sliver, so it gives natural. I really like this wig. I put it into ponytails because the way I cut it, I just liked it better that way, but yeah. Alright, so I'm just gonna start taking down these braids. I know I had like one braid that I somehow crocheted up under my hair. So that's this braid. And then I'm just gonna use a little bit of water to help me take down my hair. And I'm gonna use some of my Palmer's length retention conditioner.
We're in trances, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you crossed my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? You only get this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know?
And here we go.
Alright, y'all, this is what my hair looks like after hiding it for like a year after it broke off. I feel like I'm not as long as it was because it was like past my boob. But we're close, so I'll take it. I'm gonna try to start doing more natural hair videos because I just feel like those are the videos that you guys want to see, because I feel like lately I've been putting out like the makeup videos, but the engagement hasn't super been there, so I'm trying to just like figure out what you guys like actually enjoy watching. So I know I haven't put out a natural hair video in a minute, so maybe I'm gonna try that. But this is what my hair looks like. I can show y'all the back. That's the back. I don't know if y'all can see that. I feel like it was like down here at one point, but right now it's like broad straddling. So I don't know what I'm about to do with it. Probably need to trim the ends, but outside of that, like, this is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what different natural hairstyles y'all want me to try out in the comment section below. I'm definitely thinking about potentially trying like the bohemian waves, because the bohemian braids on like natural hair, because I was still hiding my hair at the time that trend went around. So I feel like maybe it'll look cute, because hopefully my hair is long enough and we got enough thickness or density to pull off that look, so without looking 12. So hopefully that's a look you guys are interested in, and maybe I can try that out within the coming months. Yeah, so I love y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in, and y'all never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you. Tipple. Bye, y'all.
It's Slim Reshae, all about natural beauty. Yeah, Slim Reshae.